What the Sigma?
Yes, this weird symbol is called sigma, and you might have asked yourself, what the heck does this do? Well, in math, this represents a summation, and you're about to learn what that does. Now, we first have to learn what a summation actually is. So a summation is just the sum of a sequence of numbers. So for example, a plus b plus c plus d plus e, that would be considered a summation because it's a whole bunch of addition. Now that we know what a summation is, we could go back to what we were originally talking about. So when you use this letter sigma, you'll have three terms. The first term is called the lower limit, and it's where your summation starts. Your second term is called the upper limit, and it's where your summation ends. And your final term is your formula, which is where you'll be essentially making the summation. So what does this summation mean? Well, you'll essentially be adding all the numbers where n is equal to 1, all the way up to where n is equal to 5. So it'll be this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. It's going to be all the positive integers in between 1 and 5, including 1 and 5. Which means that this summation would be equal to 15. But what happens when we have a different summation, like this? Now, what did we notice about this? Well, this definitely changed. It went from n to 2n plus 1. So what does this mean? Well, we'll be inserting every single integer from 1 to 5 for n. So that means this equation will turn into this. 2 times 1 plus 1, 2 times 2 plus 1, and so on, all the way to 5. Which means that this equation would be equal to 35. God bless.